Question number 10. How do you identify market structure? Identifying market structures involve analyzing the characteristic and behavior of the market in terms of how they organize the level of competition and the natures of product or the service offered. In addition, there are four major types of market structure, which is perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, and oligopoly.
Okay, let's talk about question number 11, which is what company considered monopolies or oligopolies? There are several companies that are often considered monopolies or oligopolies, various industries. So now, let's talk about monopolies. Several companies have been labeled as monopolies or near monopolies throughout history, often facing scrutiny for their market dominance and potential anti-competitive practices. So now, we have here an example. So now, we have here Standard Oil. Standard Oil implemented innovative business practices such as vertical integration by controlling every aspect of the oil business from production to distribution. It was able to achieve significant economies of scale. This led to lower production costs, which is in turn translated into lower prices for consumers. For example, the cost of kerosene, a widely used fuel at the time, dropped dramatically, making it more accessible to the general public. And now, I have here the second example. American Tobacco Company. American Tobacco Company was able to mass produce cigarettes and other tobacco products. This makes tobacco products more widely available and affordable through efficient production processes and extensive distribution networks. The company was able to reach consumers in both urban and rural areas. This led to a significant increase in tobacco consumption in the United States. So now, let's talk about oligopolies. Okay, these are one of the example of oligopolies. Airlines are an example of an oligopoly because they can set different prices for different customers. And when one airline cut price, the other follows suit. So now, let's talk about oligopolies. Oligopolies are markets where a small number of companies dominate, leading for limited competition. Here are an example industry and companies often considered oligopolies. So now, it's important to note that the classification of a company as an oligopoly can be complex and may vary depending on the specific market and industries. And antitrust laws and regulations are in place to prevent anti-competitive behavior and promote fair competition.
Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation. In this video, we are going to learn more about economics. So we are the group 4 and we have been given the task to answer all the questions from the given lessons. So let's start. This is Najera Lumantao. I am going to answer the question, is there a duopoly market in the Philippines? But first, we define what is duopoly. Duopoly is a form of oligopoly where only two companies dominate market. And also, this market structure, well known as monopoly, but two market or two companies instead of one. The example of existing duopoly market in the Philippines is the Coca-Cola and the Pepsi soft drinks.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Isabel Manglag. Here's my thoughts about small and medium size enterprises. Question number 3. What are SMS are identified as perfect competition or monopolistic competition? The answer is small and medium-sized enterprises are rarely found in perfectly competitive markets due to the high number of competitors and homogeneous products. More often, SMS operate within monopolistically competitive markets where they differentiate their products and services, allowing them to have some control over pricing. For example, a local bakery might be considered monopolistically competitive firm as they offer unique baked goods and recipes, giving them a degree of control over pricing, while still facing competition from other bakeries in the area. And that's all.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, my topic is about one of the example of monopoly. So, before I start, I will discuss what is monopoly. So, monopoly is a market structure having a single sellers and producer that has dominant in the industry. So, the one example is the Zeneco. So, I need to research what is the background, the current ownership, the existing competition in the market. So, the background of Zeneco is a non-profit or non-stock electric cooperative that was registered with the National Electric Corporation Administration on August 23, 1972, which supplies along the Zamboanga del Norte. So the ownership, which is the non-Samelco, with have a 20% interest. Then Abolished Power Corporation and Obitis Foundation Incorporated, that a partnership of Zeneco. This is the competition, which is the customer services, because we or us are having experience a brownout or somewhat called a power interruption, so that they are not sustainable in their services. And that's
question is oligopoly about ABS-CBN versus JP. So we have background, current owner, existing competition, and market economic status. So competition is happening between persons, nations, and most especially in business. So because of the great demand of products and services from the consumers, and to meet its demand, there are now many companies and stations non-established. In the Philippines, there are two major television who are competing. This competition is not only to give an entertainment to millions of viewers, but also to the advertisers home to get their profit to sustain their industry and business. These two broadcasting network are the ABS-CBN versus JMA. Current owner, the founders of ABS-CBN are Fernando Lopez, James Lindenberg, and Eugenio Lopez. They founded it on June 13, 1946. To this very day, Charo Santos stands as company chief executive officer, and GMA Network was founded by Robert Luru Stewart in 1950. So existing competitors, ABS-CBN existing competitor is the GMA7, one of the biggest television in the country. ABS-CBN had 2.545 billion pesos and as its net income in 2015, with 38.34 billion pesos total revenue in the same year. And GMA7 had 4.641 billion pesos operating income in the same year, and 1,206 billion net income. Market and economic status, ABS-CBN shut down of its broadcast operations in 2020. GMA Network Incorporation has experienced decrease in its net income and revenue in the last year. Thank you.
Okay, for question number 18, it's all about monopolistic competition. So, naatay mga example na mga companies. So, we have Jollibee versus McDonald's versus Pizza Hut versus Shangki's. This company is compete by offering similar product, fast food, and casual dining. But naa sila yung mga differentiate through branding, menu, and pricing. So, first, we have Jollibee. Jollibee is focuses on Filipino taste or style. Ang ilang gina-serve is Chicken Joy, Jolly Spaghetti with family-oriented branding. And ang McDonald's Ford, nag-offer sila globally consistent menus like Mac Spaghetti, burgers, fries, or uban pa. While ang Pizza Hut naman, nag-offer sila og pizza, pasta, toppings, and style. Na slight differentiation itself with its pan pizza and variety of crust option. And Shanties naman is also known for its pizza and also offer a range of side dishes and family meals. Ang Jollibee, McDonald's, Pizza Hut, and Shanties, this company exemplify monopolistic competition because they competing through their differentiated products and marketing strategies. So they are competing for the same customers base while maintaining unique identities. So nag-compete sila kung paunsa sila makagain og customers na mopalit sa iyang product. Mao na ang purpose for this question. Thank you.